Welcome to one more session of maths. Here we are in chapter number 4 and this is exercise 4.3, construction of parallelogram. See, we are dealing in the third point that to construct a quadrilateral when two adjacent sides and three angles are known. Now question exercise 4.3, question number 1, sub question number 3, construct a parallelogram here with HE is equal to 5 centimeters, EA is equal to 6 centimeters and angle R is equal to 85 degree. Now my friends, parallelogram, opposite sides are equal in parallelogram. So look at it, this is AR, okay, HEAR. So we'll deal with this type of okay, parallelogram like this. HEAR. See, angle R is of 85 degree. So I want R here, that's why. Then HE is equal to 5 centimeters. So we can start here. HE is equal to 5 centimeters. Then EA is equal to 6 centimeters. Then angle R is equal to 85 degree. Okay, and we know that opposite angles are also equal. So here it is also 85 degree angle. Okay, so opposite sides are equal and opposite angles are also equal. Okay, so opposite angles भी equal होते हैं. So HE is equal to 5, ये 5 की होगी, ये भी 5 की होगी. This one is of 6 centimeter, this one is of 6 centimeter. Okay, so we'll draw this type of parallelogram in which HE is equal to 5 centimeters, EA is equal to 6 centimeters, angle E is equal to 85, AR 5 centimeter and HR 6 centimeters. Okay, now let us start with HE. HE is equal to 5 centimeters. HE is equal to 5 centimeters. Now I will construct an angle of 85 degree here, but to construct the 85 degree angle I need a protractor because it's not a standard angle that can be constructed using compass. Okay, so हम उसका कंस्ट्रक्शन ऐसा नहीं कर सकते, स्टैंडर्ड एंगल नहीं है 85 डिग्री का, क्योंकि 15 से डिविजिबल है तभी 15, 30, 45, 60, 75, 90 ये सब एंगल है वो हम प्रोटेक्टर का यूज किए बिना कर सकते हैं, लेकिन ये नहीं कर सकते. सो दिस इज हाउ आई कैन सेट इट. दिस इज okay. Now I want angle E is of 85 degree. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80 and 85. So this is 85 degree angle that I can construct. Okay. You can use scale here. This is 85 degree angle. Okay. It can be ray EX. This is 85-degree angle. Now what I want 6 centimeters EA. So use compass. Okay, 6 centimeters radius. Taking E as a center and radius is equal to 6 centimeters. That is EA of 6 centimeter. Now I want fourth point R. See, R is 5 centimeters away from A and 6 centimeters away from H. So this is 6 centimeters. Radius is ready with me. So I'll cut it 6 centimeters. Then 5 centimeters. Okay. So taking A as center and radius is equal to 5 centimeters. So this is R. And as I join AR and HR, so this is our required parallelogram. Okay, this is our required parallelogram with 5 centimeters each, HE and AR, and this is 6 centimeters. Okay, now steps. Draw HE is equal to 5 centimeters. Okay, now draw or construct angle E is equal to draw ray EA such that angle E is equal to 85 degree. Okay, angle E is equal to 85 degree. Now cut EA is equal to 6 centimeter from ray EX. Okay, draw ray EX such that angle E is equal to 85 degree. Then cut EA is equal to 6 centimeter from ray EX. Okay, now taking A as center and radius, A as center and radius 5 centimeter, draw an arc. Okay, then fifth point, taking H as center, H as a center and radius 6 centimeter, draw another arc which intersect the arc drawn in step 4 at R. Okay, so taking H as center and radius 6 centimeter, draw another arc which intersect the arc drawn in step 4. स्टेप 4 में हमने जो आर्क ड्रॉ की उसको इंटरसेक्ट करती हुई आर्क हमें ड्रॉ करनी है पॉइंट R पे. एंड नाउ join AR and HR. Now our parallelogram is constructed. Okay, very good. Now in exercise 4.3, question number 1, sub question number 4, Roman 4 rather, construct a rectangle OK where OK is equal to 7 centimeters and KA is equal to 5 centimeters. Now we know that in a rectangle each angle is right angle, means we know the measurements of all the 4 angles and opposite sides are equal. See, 2 sides are given. See, opposite of both the sides will also be equal. So we know the measurement of all the 4 angles and all the 4 sides. Okay, now we will construct OKAY. So it's OKAY. So we'll start with OK is equal to 7 centimeters. Then we will construct an angle of 90 degree here, KX. Then cut it by 5 centimeters. Okay. Then taking A as center and radius is equal to 7 centimeter, we'll cut here. And then taking O as center and radius is equal to 5 centimeters, we'll cut it to find the point Y. Okay, so very easy, similar to the earlier one in which we have constructed the parallelogram. Okay, जब हमने जैसा पैरेललोग्राम कंस्ट्रक्ट किया था उससे भी इजी होगा, क्योंकि यह तो 90 डिग्री का एंगल है, वो हमको 85 डिग्री का कंस्ट्रक्ट करना था तो हमको प्रोटेक्टर का यूज करना पड़ा था. यहाँ पे 90 डिग्री का एंगल हम कर सकते हैं. Okay, now start with OK is equal to 7 centimeter. Okay, so OK is equal to 7 centimeters. Okay, now I would like to construct a 90 degree angle here. To construct 90 degree angle, we require to construct 120 degree angle. Now between 60 and 120, there is a 90 degree. Okay. That is KX. Now we are going to cut KA is equal to 5 centimeters. So select the radius 5 centimeter. Okay, this is KA. Here is A, OKA, and this is of 5 centimeters, this is 7 centimeters. Now we have to find the fourth point Y, which is 7 centimeters away from A and 5 centimeters away from O. Okay, Now this is 5 centimeters radius we have ready. So okay, now 7 centimeters radius. Very easy. Join them. This is point Y. Okay, and this is our rectangle. Now we'll start writing steps. First one, so draw OK is equal to 7 सेंटीमीटर. 7 सेंटीमीटर का आपको OK ड्रॉ करना है. ओके, सो एट पॉइंट K और ड्रॉ रे KX such that angle K is equal to 90, because each angle of our rectangle is right angle, 90 degree angle rather. Okay, now cut A. Cut KA is equal to 5 centimeter from ray KX. Okay, cut KA is equal to 5 centimeters from ray KX. And now taking A as a center and radius 7 centimeters, draw an arc. Okay, again taking O as center and 5 centimeters radius, taking O as center, taking O as center and radius 5 centimeters, and 5 centimeter radius, draw another arc which intersect the arc drawn in step 4 at Y. Okay, so taking O as center and radius 5 centimeters, draw another arc which intersect the arc drawn in step 5 at Y, and then join AY and OY, AY and OY, and hence our rectangle is completed. Okay, very good. Now next topic in this chapter means another type of quadrilateral to be constructed. To construct a quadrilateral when 3 sides and 2 included angles are given. Okay, 3 sides or 2 included angle. See 3 sides here and 2 included angle here. So हम इस क्वाड्रिलेटरल को कंस्ट्रक्ट करते वक्त ये ख्याल में रखेंगे कि सपोज A B C D क्वाड्रिलेटरल है जिसमें एंगल बी और एंगल सी आपको दिया गया है, तो हम BC को बेस बनाएंगे. ओके, वेरी गुड. सो टू कंस्ट्रक्ट अ क्वाड्रिलेटरल व्हेन 3 sides and 2 included angles are given. Now construct a quadrilateral. Exercise 4.4 question number 1 Roman 1. Construct a quadrilateral DER in which DE, EA and R 3 sides are given and 2 included angles are given. So 2 included angles are given, so we will start with EA as a base. Okay, EA 5 सेंटीमीटर का. EA इज इक्वल टू 5 सेंटीमीटर. जो दो एंगल हमें दिया गया है उसी दो एंगल को ज्वाइन करते हुए साइड को हम बेस सबसे नीचे वाली बनाएंगे. नाउ एंगल E इज ऑफ 60 डिग्री, सो E होगा 60 डिग्री का. ओके, सो EX हियर, ये होगा 60 डिग्री का. देन A इज 90 डिग्री, तो A 90 डिग्री का होगा AY. ओके, नाउ D यहां पे आएगा, DEAR. तो D से E का डिस्टेंस, DE 4 सेंटीमीटर है, तो यहां से हम 4 सेंटीमीटर कट करेंगे, ये होगा D. और AR 4.5 सेंटीमीटर है, यहां से 4.5 सेंटीमीटर कट करेंगे, ये होगा R, और फिर उसको ज्वाइन करेंगे, तो हमारा क्वाड्रिलेटरल कंप्लीट हो जाएगा. ओके, वेरी गुड. नाउ वी विल स्टार्ट विथ EA इज इक्वल टू 5 सेंटीमीटर्स. ओके, सो EA इज इक्वल टू 5 सेंटीमीटर्स. 5 सेंटीमीटर्स EA. Now angle E is equal to 60, so we will construct angle EX such that angle E is equal to 60 degree. So 60 डिग्री का हमें एंगल E कंस्ट्रक्ट करना है. ओके, this is ray EX. Now हमें 90 डिग्री का बनाना है, so हम will construct ray AY such that angle A is equal to 90. This is ray AY such that angle A is equal to 90. Now we want ED is equal to 4 centimeters. So D is 4 centimeters from E. Okay, D is equal to 4 centimeters. So select radius is equal to 4 centimeters and cut D is equal to 4 centimeters. Okay, this is DE is equal to 4 centimeters. Now I want AR is equal to 4.5 centimeter. So draw ray, cut AR is equal to 4.5 centimeter from ray AY. Okay, here is AR, here is AR, and now join dr. Okay, hence our required quadrilateral is constructed. Okay, EA is equal to 4, AR is equal to 4.5, D is equal to 4, and angle E is equal to 60 degree, angle A is equal to 90 degree. Okay, very good my friend. And the next, in the second question in here is similar to quadrilateral TRUE, is similar to this one, and you can construct it by yourself. Okay, so number 2 in homework. Okay, very easy to understand, very much similar to this one. Okay, very good. Now my friends, we complete this chapter here. The next portion is some special cases, लेकिन हम special cases include करने वाले नहीं है. So this is the end of this chapter. Okay, very good.